So today we are going to show you a case of chronic lateral ankle instability because of the ATFL tear in a young female. Subfibular incision, or we can have a long this is more cosmetic than long. So this is Arthrex ATFL kit. So this will have the entire set for ATFL on 4.75 mm anchor, 3.5 mm anchor. We have taps, 2 taps, one for the larger one, 4.75 to 3.5 taps, 3 needles, wire passer, entire set. So putting the 4.75 mm anchor, which is preloaded with the fiber tape, 2 mm fiber tape preloaded. This is 3.5 mm anchor, swallow anchor with eyelet for passing the fiber. Then we have a tap, 4.75 mm swallow anchor tap. Then we have a 3.5 mm tap, so the anchor that you need. Mostly we don't need this tap. We have a drill sleeve. We have 3 drill bits, 1 cannulated drill bit, 1 3.4 mm drill bit for 4.75 swallow, and 2.7 mm drill bit for 3.5 mm. So these 3 drill bits we have to see. क्यों दिखा रहे भाई? Stable? Yes. Slight touch.
ये टेबल फिर जमा दी गई है हैप्पी एंडिंग।